Good evening, everyone. This is James coming from Dividend Stock Talk, where we talk about dividend stocks and investing in dividend stocks for weekly and monthly cash flow. Why do we do that? Because I don't want to work anymore. I want to live off my investments. That's why. Really, seriously. That's why. We invest for different reasons. And my reason is I don't want to work anymore. I shouldn't really say that because actually there's certain things I enjoy doing and I'll probably continue doing them. I know I like fiddling around. I like inventing things. I like investing. I like helping people with their investments. I like teaching. And so I'll probably end up doing those things, but working for someone else, another 40-hour-a-week job, no, I probably won't do that again. Just earn enough money to, live comfortably. I don't need to be rich. I don't need to be the richest man on the block. I have no desire to do that. All that said, let's just get down to business. Today is Tuesday, September 19th, and it's 10:33. We're a little late. Actually, no, not really. We're not a little late because we really haven't figured out which time works best for me. I have a strange life. I have a strange lifestyle. I come and go as I want. I don't really live by a time clock. I don't live by a calendar. So some days I won't even know what day it is. It's a sad thing. It's not really sad. I just enjoy the lifestyle that I lead. All right. All that being said, let's jump. Like I said, today's the 19th. It's Tuesday. Let's jump in and see what's happening. Last night we didn't seem to do very well because we had a minor problem with the software. What are we doing here? That's what we want to do. All right. Jumping into Thinkorswim. Let's find out where we are because we couldn't access the account last night. They had a little bit of problems, a little bit of issues. Ow, we still have BMY. That's right. We unloaded the other one. And trade activity account statement, report, activity positions, filled orders. I'm going to have to do a little research trying to figure out what happened to that thing from the other day. Oh. All right, our account is profit and loss year to date is 59,000. That's like around 59%. Because we started out with 100,000 in this account, so 59,000 out of 100,000 is 59%. We were at 61. I don't know what happened there. Oh, that's what it is. So only 230 for the day. That was today. We're down 220 since the opening. BMY. Let's see what the heck is BMY at. What happened with them? Ooh. All right. PXD is the one we did the other day. Okay, she closed Friday at 137. No. 136.93. That was Friday. Saturday. And Monday, she opened at 137. So I should have been called out at 137. So let's see what kind of profit we made in PXD. PXD. PXD, there we are. That's it? Oh, man. Hate when that happens. Made 250 bucks off PXD. I could have sworn I made more than that. Anyway, is what it is. All right, 250 bucks is 250 bucks. Let's see what's happening this week and see what we can do. That's the 19th. These are the companies that went EX today. So, for the fun of it, we have STX, which is Seagate Technology. They're paying a 63-cent dividend. And Tiffany's, which is paying a 50-cent dividend. Had we invested in these, we would have done that 10 days prior to today, which means we would have been out yesterday, okay? Because you don't want to go into the EX date. You want to be out by the EX date. So you would have been out yesterday, which is the 18th, which means 10 days prior to that would have been the 4th, September 4th. So let's go in and take a look at STX and Tiffany's starting from the 4th and going to today, yesterday, and see what happened. Okay, STX. That looks interesting. She starts out the year around 49, just around 50. She jumps up for the next couple of months to hit the high of the year at 69. And then it takes her about 6 or 7 months, slowly dropping down to find the bottom at 18. Can you imagine that, going from 69 to 18 in 6 months? Wow. Anyway, okay, so she finds the low of the year right May 3rd. And then from May 3rd, she slowly goes back up to hit 50, then drops back down to 32, where she is now. She's been here for almost a month at the 32 area. Now, we were talking about getting in on the 4th, and we're looking at a 63-cent dividend. So where is the 4th? The 4th would be right there. Ouch. Okay. So, whoops. So she opened at 33.71. 33.7. Come on, 33.7. 33.71. Okay, and the high was 34.03. That's definitely not 63 cents. Okay, so it missed that one, and it never actually hit it. Imagine that. So this one did not do what we wanted it to do. And why is that? Ooh, yeah, look at that. You know, you're taking a look at here, it doesn't look that bad. Okay. Going from 18, soaring up. You had a gap here, which most likely means it usually fills. And then you have a gap here and a gap here. And they have a tendency to usually fill. This one probably needs to fill to the upside, but that won't happen for quite a while. And this huge gap here. So let's open this up a little bit to see what actually happened and if we actually really would have gotten into this one. So we're talking about the getting it on the 4th. Now, we have a big gap down here. So this is a nice run up. And then a huge gap down from the 50.88 all the way down to open up at 44.60, 61, somewhere in that area. Okay, that's a big gap down. Now, from there, she keeps going down until she hits 39.70. Then another huge gap down. For what's the reason for me to go from 39.70, almost 40 bucks, down to 32? That would have been a question I would have gotten into. And here's a 4th right here. I would be asking myself very loud and clear, why am I getting to this one now? Because you have 4 up days, and then you have this day here. Okay, could that have been a bottom? People say, wait a minute, why is this doing that? Okay, so let's jump in and take a look at the 4th on the seasonality and see what that looked like. We're going to go all the way back to the 4th. So here's where we are. Here was where we are right now on the 19th. Now the 4th is right in this area right here. So let's isolate this and go this way. Now the 4th is right in this area. So there is a possibility we wouldn't have got this one. Well, hey, what can I tell you? It's going sideways. Sideways for the next couple of weeks. Here's the EX right here. So she went sideways. So there's a possibility we would have gotten this one. So I can't honestly say no. So it would depend on what the software had to say. And I didn't run it through the software yet. So I really don't know. So let's go back and find out the standard for Tiffany's. TIF, Tiffany's. Now Tiffany starts out the year right around 86, finds a high about 2 months later right around 110. From 110, she drops to 88 and trades for about 3 months there. drops down to 79, trades about a month and a half there. Then she comes down to the 60 to 70 area and goes sideways for a couple of months, finding the low of the year at 56.88. From the low of the year, she's been doing up until she gets to a trading range of 94, and then she proceeds to go sideways, which is kind of where she is now. Now, we're again looking at the fourth. Here's the fourth right there. And we're looking at 10 days prior to the fourth. Okay, we had gotten into the fourth with the 50-cent high, so you get 96.18. Sorry, 93.18. She jumps up to 93.36. That's an 18-cent move, which it doesn't hit the 50 cents. But it does hit the 50 cents here and here and here. But looking at 10 days, is that right? That looks like more than 10 days. 19th is tomorrow. Okay, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 24th. Something ain't right. 9, 4. No, that can't be it. Okay, the 19th. We want to look at 9, 4. 9, 4. 9, 4 is here. But those numbers aren't right. Okay, we were bought in the on market open, which we're going to right here. But that's only 5 days. Okay, there's the 19th, which is today. Whatever happened to the 18th, which was yesterday? Why is it missing 2 months? That's strange. All right, so see if I can figure this out. Look at 10 trading days. Today's the 19th. Well, actually, today's the 19th. So 10 trading days. Get the 18th, 15th, 14th, 13th, 12th, 11th, blah, 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 all the way down to the 4th. Okay, number one, we're missing the 18th. Where the hell is it? It's not here. Okay, then the 15th. Where the hell's the 4th? That's it, damn it. I changes and it kind of messes things up. Intraday, daily, 1 year, day. There we go. Okay, so that's the 19th, 18th, 15th, 14th. Now it's starting to make sense. I'm going to have to go take a look at the other one. I had it set for every 2 days. That's why it didn't make any sense to me. Okay, so back to the 4th. Where's the 4th? The 4th is... There is no 4th. So we get on the day of the 5th. Here we go. There's your 10 days. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There it is. Okay, so does Tiffany make the 50 cents move on that day? She opens up at 92.99, and its high of the year was high of the day was 93.44, which is only a 45-cent increase. So no, it did not make it on the first day, but boom, right there, second day you're out of there. Let me go back and check STX again because I had the chart set up wrong. STX. All right, here's STX. Let's go back to the 4th, right there. Okay. Whoops, no. Okay, considering there's no trading on the 4th, jump in on the 5th. Opening the day on the 5th was 31.84, and the high of the day was 33.35, which is $1.51. First day in, out, first day. So yeah, they were right. Silly me, I'm sorry guys, I had my chart set up incorrectly. I was looking at every 2 days. That kind of really screws things up. That's how you change it right here. Tells you how you're looking at your chart. You know, the time, the tick, the range, intraday, blah blah blah, all that crap. The chart is daily for one month, 3 months, blah blah blah, 10 years, 20 years. I just want to look at 1 year. I mean, 1 year's worth of dates, and I want a day. So there it is. That being said, those two made it. LVS, let's give LVS a try. Why not? 73 cents. That's a 20th, so we'll be looking again at the 5th. LVS. Okay, Las Vegas Sands starts out at 57 to 58 area, and she trades about 3 months there. Quickly jumps up, hits 63, and then it takes about 2 or 3 months to hit the low of the year, which is kind of like a double bottom right at 51. From 51, the double bottom, she takes about 4 or 5 months to get up to the high of the year, 66. A little bit of pullback, and we're back at 64, where she ended up today. So we're looking at the 5th again, which would be right there. Okay, so the 5th, we're looking at 73 cents. She opened up at 62.54, and she had a high of 63.25. So 63.54 and 73 is 60. 63.47, something like that. Okay, but anyway, she hits it all. So look at that nice run up. And if you did a trailing stop, you would have done even better. Okay, that being said, that's what happened, with today's companies, those three, and this is what's tomorrow. So yeah, would have got in 10 days prior to this area here, which brings us to the 5th. And the 10 days, yeah, you would have hit the target price. Yay! Okay, so all that being said, let's get back to where we are. Okay, so the 19th, it's 26th, blah, 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 and the 10th. Oracle. Ooh. Oracle is on my list. Got a 19-cent dividend. ORCL. Okay. Oracle starts out the year at 39. Travels sideways for about 4 months, almost 5 months before she started moving up. Gaps up at the 43 area to hit a 46. That's not a big, huge gap. But trades at 45 for about 4 months. And then, right at the end of May, the end of June, she goes from 46 and pops up to 51. Travels sideways for a bit, hits the high of the year at 53. And after she hits high of the year, she trades for a couple of days up in that area. I mean, that's a nice little run up there. Then, boom, all of a sudden on the 14th, she has a gap down, and then she continues to drop. She has 3 down days in a row. So I'm going to tell you right now, with 3 down days in a row and a gap down, I'm not 100% sure. I'm happy with that. All right, so let's check out seasonality-wise and see what she's going to do for the next couple of weeks coming into that time frame. Okay, here's where we are. We look like down a couple more days and then sideways. Do I want to get involved with that one? Again, 10 days before the EX date. Do I want to get involved in it now? No, but next week I might want to do that, and that's what we might do. So let's take a look at Oracle and see what they're offering. Not for today, but for next week. ORCL. Oracle. Okay, so Oracle's at 48. Wow, that's going to hurt. You know what? Just for the fun of it, because Oracle looks like she's going to go down a little bit. So we might, instead of doing the one that we normally do, which is right below the money, or which is, below the at the money. See, at the money right now would be 48. So if we did that, we would want to trade the 47.5, 48. That's kind of like at the money, where she goes up, we make money, stays the same, make money, and you come down to smidge, which is like 4 cents, just a smidge, we'll make money too. But instead of doing that, let's see what this one right here looks like. 43, which is 7 cents, that could be a 10% spread. 70 bucks, okay, that's a little bit more than 10%. So to be on the safe side, it's 3 days, so let's go and do this trade here. Make 350 bucks off a $2,200 investment. Let's edit it. And let's just go for 40. Okay, this way we can make 500 bucks, which is 20, almost 25%. If we can get filled with this one, that's giving me 25%. I'm not going to count on it because, look what she's doing. She got 3 down days in a row after that and a gap down. So there's a possibility that somebody might say, hey, wait a minute. This is a good price for Oracle. Look at the run-up they had, the past 2 weeks. She's been going up. And been going up rather well. Okay, so that's Oracle. That's done and out of the way. All right, let's go back. Let's see the first week and see what we have there. All right, now Comcast we did last week, so let's check out Comcast again. Because remember, we had Comcast for 10 days. And we already did the first 5 the first week, so let's see what, again, Comcast has to offer. CSA. All right. Comcast gone sideways for a couple of days, actually a couple of weeks. Finds the low of the year at 30, and then from the low of the year at 30, it's been nothing but an uptrend for about 8 months to the high of the year at 42. Profit taken there, bring it back down to 38, and from there, back up close to the 40, 41 area before she settles down to where she is now. The past week, she's been trading in the 37 to 38 area. Now, she could find the bottom here because she had 2 up days in a row. 2 up days in a row is not something to be excited about, but let's see what the seasonality looks like before we decide to jump in on this one. Okay. That's not bad. Nice sideways move. So let's see what Comcast is offering. CMCSA for 37. Okay, they're offering the same thing, which is going to be a crappy return. So just do that, and we're going to do this. There's 2 possibilities we might look at. All right, so that's that one and that one. Who else do we got? That was Comcast. Look at the gap. GPS, the Gap stores. Here's where she is. That's down. No, thank you. Don't even bother with that one. American Eagle Outfitters. We made money off of that one last week. AEO. This is gonna be my last one for now, and then tomorrow we're gonna do a little bit more because I can't keep giving you. I can't keep spoon feeding you all the time. All right, right there. Okay, American Eagle Outfitters. Nope. Last week was a good play. This week it's not. All right. That being all said, it's 10:57. Let's check and see if we have any questions. No questions. Come on, guys. You gotta give me something here. This is some good trades we got going. How about just for the fun of it? Let's go back and look at Comcast again. CM. CSA. Okay, CMCSA, here we go. Buy that, we can sell this one right here. If she stays below 70, I'll get to make money off of this. Wow. Let's see what she looks like. Getting $213 credit and putting up 270 bucks. That is close to 100%. Okay, so we get the vertical spread. The weekly 1737. And I have limit order at 23. That is very impressive. Well, considering that no questions have been here for a half hour, let's take one more quick check. No questions. We are out of here. CMCSA looks pretty good for the third choice. I'm not so quite sure where I heard that one. Well, all that being said, it's 10:59. It's time for me to check out. We will be more with this tomorrow, but we gave you your tips for the today. Tomorrow we'll check in again and see what else we can do, because we got a couple of open orders, don't we? We got 1, 2, 3, 3 open orders so far. Okay, with that being said, I am out of here.